So, collecting leads for any kind of email marketing is extremely essential. And the best way to collect leads is through pop ups. So, let's see how to create them. Here on the left hand panel, click on pop up. You'll already have some pre made pop ups made for you, but in case you want to create a new one, press on create new pop up. You can select from among all of these layouts or pre made templates that are already done for you. If you have your brand kit set up, the brand image and the colors will automatically populate in this one. I'm just using this template for now. What a pop-up essentially done is it integrates with your website and it offers your subscribers a way to put in their email IDs and for you to collect leads through your store. Once you come onto this page, you can see your pop-up appearing over here. Now, you can design this as per your taste. You can include images, text, buttons, phone numbers, a space for entering certain other details that you want to collect, buttons, checklist, etc. into your pop up. You can also customize the pop up's positioning, colors, width, border, etc. from the left hand panel. You will also be able to customize your pop up to appear as in a desktop view as well as in a mobile view. It is always recommended that you design your pop up separately for a desktop as well as a mobile view, since Google penalizes websites who do not display their pop ups very well. Lastly, you can go to settings over here. You can name your pop up, have an entry list for where all the subscribers who subscribe through your pop up will appear. You can see where the pop up needs to be viewed and also adjust the timing. So the delay is set to 10 seconds here, which means after the user comes onto your store and is on your store for about 10 seconds, the pop up will appear. And you can also customize how often this pop up should appear for that user. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out through the chat button at the bottom corner. Happy sending!